nakita ko dito. Ang laking plato. Folding. Imagine mo. Ang size na ito. Laki. Aero bike. Anong sukat na ito, sir? 70. So ito yung TK1 may 2. Sir, interview. Mukhang malakasan kayo, sir, ah.
Yes, just practice lang.
Just practice lang. So, naka long ride din po kayong gamit.
Yes. The longest ride I use this bike is from Marilao, Bulacan to Ministerio de Tarlac.
Wow! Ilang kilometers yun?
Solo, that is probably 120 plus just one way.
So, matagal lang kayo po folding?
Yes, I'm a folding bike fan.
Ayos, sir. So, matagal lang sa inyo bike na to?
Yes, I bought it during I'm a pandemic cyclist actually.
Oh.
Yes, I started riding during that time. So, my first folding bike is this one. But it was stock, and then now I upgraded it into a more horsepower.
Yes, yun eh. Anong name natin, sir?
Sherwin.
John, sir.
Yeah.
Nice meeting, sir. Okay, sir.
You have a channel?
Pajak ni Juan.
Pajak. Master Takusa.
Hello, sir. Thank you, sir. Alright. Woo.